In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create scroll-based animations in Webflow. Scroll-based animations can really enhance the user experience on your website by making content more engaging and interactive as users scroll down the page. So, let's dive right in and see how you can set this up in just a few simple steps. First, you'll need to head over to Webflow. If you haven't already, you can create an account on their website or log in if you're an existing user. Once you're logged into your account, navigate to your Webflow dashboard. This is where you'll find all your current projects. Take a moment to identify which project you'd like to enhance with scroll-based animations. Click on the project to open it up. In the project editor, let's focus on utilizing Webflow's powerful interactions panel. You can locate this by looking at the right-hand panel of your workspace. You'll see it labeled as Interactions, and once you go ahead and click on it, a new range of possibilities will open up for you. Now that you're in the Interactions panel, we are going to set up what's called an element trigger. Triggers are the backbone of animations in Webflow. They define the action that initiates your animation. Think of them as the starting point of your effect. So, click on Element Trigger to begin defining what you want to animate. In this section, you'll find several trigger options available, but for today's purpose, we're going to focus on creating a scroll into view animation. This means that your animation will commence when a specified element comes into view as the user scrolls down the page. It's an excellent way to draw attention subtly and enhance your page's flow. Select Scroll into View from the list, and you'll be prompted with options to configure the animation. Here you can choose various animation styles like fading, scaling, or moving elements, each giving a unique flair to your design. Take your time to experiment with different combinations to see what best suits your content and aesthetic goals. Don't forget to preview your work as you go along. This will help ensure that each animation executes as intended and maintains the seamless experience you're aiming to provide for your users. Once satisfied with your selection and configurations, simply hit Save. Remember, these animations should complement your content and not overwhelm it, so keep balance in mind as you design. There you have it. With just a handful of steps, you've successfully set up scroll-based animations in Webflow, adding an engaging layer to your website's interaction. Keep practicing and exploring further options in Webflow to refine your skills. Thanks for tuning in, and happy animating!